Bonus C asks us to show that there's no point on this curve that has a horizontal tangent line. So horizontal lines have a slope of 0. So let's get an equation for slope. Derivative of x squared. We're going to use the product rule here. Derivative of negative 3x times y, so negative 3 times y, and then negative 3x times the derivative of y. Derivative of y squared is 2y dy dx, and the derivative of 1 is 0. Anything that does not have a dy dx, I'm going to move over to the right side of my equation. So subtract 2x, add 3y, factor out the dy dx, and divide by whatever's left over. So here's an equation for our slope. Negative 2x plus 3y over negative 3x plus 2y. We want this to be 0 because we want a horizontal tangent line. So if I multiply both sides by this, I just get negative 2x plus 3y equals 0. And I'm going to solve this for y. 3y equals 2x, y equals 2/3 x. And then what we're going to do is we are going to substitute this into the equation because the point has to actually be on the graph. So it has to belong to this equation here. So if I plug this in for my y's, I get x squared minus 3x times y plus y squared equals 1. Well, y squared is 2/3 x. So 2/3 x goes in for y. Put that in for each of my y's. Simplify. X squared, 3's cancel, minus 2x squared. This would be plus 4/9 x squared. If I get a common denominator, this would be 9/9. This would be 18/9. So negative 9 plus 4, I've got negative 5/9 x squared equals 1. Times 9, divide by negative 5, gives me x squared equals negative 9 over 5. And then if I take the square root of both sides, I get undefined. So because I don't have any x values on the curve where the slope was 0, that is why we have no horizontal tangent.